Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you some basic settings that you should know about when uploading videos to YouTube for your students or for your class. Let's go ahead and take a look here at this account that I'm using. And I'm going to go to the option to create and upload my video. And here I'm going to upload my little demo video that I have. There's my demo video. And we'll upload it, and you'll see that it's pulled in the title. Tell people about it. Now, one of the things people often ask me about is adding a thumbnail image. If you wanted to change out the default image that YouTube selects for you, that's where you can upload a custom thumbnail or cover image for your video. You can add it to any playlist that you have or create a new playlist. And you can make that playlist public, private, or unlisted. I'll make mine unlisted for now. And I'll say, no, this one's not made for kids. And then down here under more options, this is the important part. This is what I want you to really pay attention to. Is down at the bottom, you can put it in a category. I'll put this in education. And you can change your comment visibility. You see here, we have the option to allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, or disable comments entirely. And that's the setting that I tend to use. Now, let's hit the next button. And we'll make our video unlisted. Now, what's important to note about these three settings here. Unlisted means that anyone who has the direct link to the video can watch it. So if you give the link to one student and that student gives it to another student, everyone who has the link can watch it. If it's private, the only people who can see it are those that have been invited to watch the video. And of course, public means everyone in the world can see it. Now, you can combine some of these settings. We might make it unlisted and schedule it to appear at a later time. Now, the reason you might do that, let's say you've sat down over the weekend and you've made 3 or 4 videos that you're going to use later in the week for your students. Using this scheduling function is a nice way to make sure those videos get spaced out over time, as opposed to being released all at once for your students. So those are some basic YouTube settings you should know when you are uploading videos for your students to watch. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out practicaledtech.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.